Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel for another tabletop tool unboxing video. So in today's video we will be unboxing 3-in-1 multi-purpose bench grinder machine that is from one of the Chinese company called Jicrade Corporation Limited. So this is the box of it. I will open it up. So in the box you will get the manual. It has all the parts detail, technical specification, how to use the machine, all the instructions are there. And in the back there's an exploded diagram of the machine itself. So you will get one flexi shaft along with it. So this is the flexi shaft, you will get it. This is 31 inches long. I will keep it aside for now. There is one more accessories pouch in which you will get these carbon bushings for the motor, which has brass head, and you will get two spanner. One bigger one is for the changing the disc, smaller one is for the flexi shaft, and one Allen key and one screw. And you will get two eye protector because there are two discs, so one for each, and you can adjust the angle of these eye protector as well. So this is the tool itself. You can see so this is Jicrade TM-1 bench grinder. So there are two discs. One is from granite material, that is for grinding, and other one is gray color, that is for polishing. You can see there is knob. You can change the RPM of the machine ranging from 0 to 10,000 RPM, and there is an on-off switch as well. And there is this shaft which can be used to attach the flexi shaft. I will show how to attach the flexi shaft in it. So you can see in the flexi shaft there's a square wire, so that goes in this hole like this, and you tighten this screw like this. It is very simple to attach to it. You keep tightening it until it is fully tight. I will turn it on the machine and show it to you, the power of machine. So I have plugged the machine and I will switch on the machine, and this is the RPM knob. I will turn it off. So in the flexi shaft you can attach these kind of bit. You can purchase from market. There's a set which you can purchase online, offline as well, but make sure the shaft has the collet that is having a diameter of 1.8 inch. So only 1.8 inch diameter bit can go inside this, not more than that. And I will show it to you how to put the eye protector on this. So it has this screw. I will open up this screw. So you can see on both the disc cover basically there are holes. So you need to just align this screw to it, and you need to tighten the screw like this. You can use the tool to tighten this further. So you can adjust the angle of this like this, and these are the platform where you can put the object which you want to grind like this, and you can make the contact with the disc accordingly. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.